When you download a family from BlackBee3D that includes textures, follow this procedure to make sure your textures display correctly on your renders. First of all, I have created here a folder for all my downloads. Inside, I downloaded the Modern Hollow Box multipurpose table, which includes textures. After unzipping, inside the To Post folder, you will find the Revit file and the textures. If I open this family in Revit, I will drag and drop it in. This family won't have those textures connected because Revit right now doesn't know where those textures live. If I switch to realistic, you can see how all the textures are missing. And if you come up to manage materials, those materials that belong to the table will have this symbol. So to fix this problem, this is what we can do. Come up to File, Options, select the rendering category on the left, and add the folder where those textures live. I will click on the plus sign, click then on this first row, and click on the button on the right. This will take me to my computer to find a folder where those textures and any other texture are located. It is a good idea to create a folder called Textures where you put in every single texture you are using and just connect that folder to this part in Revit. In my case, I will go to the folder To Post, Revit, Textures, and I will select that folder. Now click OK and close Revit for these changes to take effect. I will go ahead and relaunch Revit and come back in a second. Now that I've reopened Revit, I will load the family again. Now, if I switch to realistic mode, you can see how the textures are automatically being loaded. Any new models or any new textures that you use, you can put them in that same folder so that Revit loads them automatically when you put a new family into your project. Or, if you want to have them in multiple folders, make sure you add those folders to the rendering section. And right after adding them, make sure you close Revit and relaunch it for those changes to take effect. Enjoy working with our BlackBee3D Revit families and 3D models.